Hey everyone, so today we're going to do a little art here and I'm inviting you to come and take a look at how we're going to do a very quick swipe, and we're going to do it with this. Alright, we'll get some results as you can see here, which actually came out pretty nice. Just with a few movements you can get some really nice results. We're going to be using this 36 by 36 canvas right here. Let's see if I can move you out just a little bit so we can see. I think I'll be laying the canvas down just so we don't have any runs on it at this point. We can always make it run a little bit later. So let me just move it over here. Okay, so we are positioned here. And this is naturally primed, so I'm not going to put any white on it. What I'm going to do is just shake up the black. Let's see where we can go from here. Just like a little blob right there. We will start with that. Put a little bit down like that too. So let's see. And of course, we're not really knowing which shapes we're getting before or afterwards. We can always shape it as we go along. Bring a little water. Let's see what that is going to do. Just tilt. Run. And let's turn it around. Let's do the same thing here. I would like to experiment with a little white. Go straight through here. See, this is the fun thing about abstract, because why? There's never any right or wrong. It's just whatever it is that comes out, comes out. And of course, in the aftermath, can I see you down here? In the aftermath, I'll be showing you how you could tweak this on some apps and get some really wild looking, incredible new images from this one image alone. So from one image, you can actually come up, so get some nice cells. I'll show you a close-up. You might not see that here. But, yeah, on the app, from one image, like one painting, you can get a lot of new images. And I see, that's the cool thing when we can warp it, right? Now, let's see what this is going to do. There we go. I like that. I really, really like that. Here we go. Yeah. A little white. Let's do a little white. Right there. I'll take it this way first. Swirled a little bit. I will try to see if I can fix that. A little bit. Not too bad. So let me get the camera up close so you can see these little cells going on. Kind of like how this is coming together right there in the middle. Reflection area. There we go. And of course that's Inky working at maybe somebody out for an early morning walk. Let me get the camera up. I'll get some from the other side so maybe we won't get the same reflection. Let's see from the light, yeah. All right, so we're just going in closely. Got different shades of whites, grays, blacks. Loving that. Here's all these cells that are coming up. So maybe like little mountaintops, huh? Reflection going on here so you can get the feeling maybe water and then reflections down here. But I think it came out pretty cool. So you can see how easy it can be done. Anybody can do this. You can do this, right? As you see, it was just with our little window cleaner right there, black and white, and then you get all the natural shades coming out of it on its own. So thank you for watching, and come back again and see more soon.